Who's gonna make the first move?
Neither of them are moving Fluffy's tail just a little bit.
Just taunt a bit.
Oh, Callie's tail just went down a little bit. Oh. They're communicating with their tails right now. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Do
I sense a back down here?
If anyone's giving in, it's definitely Callie.
Ooh. Fluffy's like, you're getting my profile right now. I'm looking away. She's like, if I don't see you, you don't see me.
She's not very brave. She needs my support.
Go say hi. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yeah. Go time. Oh, this is great. Fluffy's turning around. She's gonna turn around and flip.
Fluffy's like, you think I'm not watching you, but I'm watching.
There it is.
Like, let's play. Like, that's not a play base.
I can read body language sometimes.
Look how big she's making herself right now. Fluffy, you're huge.
Callie's like, am I supposed to be afraid? I don't know. What am I supposed to do here? You're okay, baby. You're a nice puppy. She knows that.
Look at how huge she can make herself. She's like...
You're okay. It's okay.
That's hilarious.